Hi everyone! This is me again, Teacher Maisie. This is Grade 3 Math video lesson for Week 3, Day 1. Today we are going to continue the lesson about number patterns. So if you remember the lesson last time, a number pattern is a group of numbers that follow a certain rule when changing or repeating. So for the number patterns, we will use two rules to complete or find the answer. The first one is increasing by. This is the same as saying counting forward or using plus. The other rule is decreasing by. This is the same as saying counting backward or using minus. Let's see the examples of number patterns. This time we are going to continue by learning decreasing by 3. Now when we say decreasing by, it's the same as counting backward. So for this example, it's counting backward by 3s. So for example, letter A, we have 4,540. Decreased by 3 gives you 4,537. Again, counting backward by 3s will now give you 4,534. Minus 3 gives us 4,531. Again, counting backward by 3s now gives us 4,528. And the last answer is now 4,525. Again, another example for counting backward by 3s. We have 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, and 9. Now for the next number pattern, we have decreasing by 4. It's the same as saying counting backward by 4s. These are our examples. From 25,450, we count backward by 4s to get these numbers. Look carefully at every number. And now, last number is 25,430. Again, another example for counting backward by 4s, we have 36, 32, 28, 24, 20, and 16. If you do understand numbers decreasing by 3s and numbers decreasing by 4s, try to answer this short drill. Think of the next number or the missing numbers to complete these number patterns. Look at every number and remember that decreasing by is the same as counting backward. Try to think of your answer. Now if you are ready, we can now see if your answers are correct. So for number 1, the numbers should be decreasing by 3s. The first answer should be higher than 4,227. The first number should be bigger. So we have 4,230. Decreased by 3 is now 4,227. Decreased by 3 is now 4,224. And then you have 4,221. Minus 3 gives us 4,218. Minus 3 again will be 4,215. Decreased by 3 is now 4,212. And the last answer is 4,209. Let's see the answers for numbers decreasing by 4s. So the first number is given. It's 10,148. Decreased by 4s will be 10,144. Remember that to get the answer, you can use minus. So for this example, it's minus 4. This is followed by 10,140. The next number is now 10,136. Minus 4 will be 10,132. Minus 4 again is 10,128. Decreased by 4 is 10,124. And the last answer is 10,120. Now I hope that you got every answer correct. Let's go and see the next number pattern. The next one is decreasing by 5. So it's the same as saying counting backward by 5s or using minus 5 to get the answer. Now from the first example, 5,580 minus 5 gives you the following numbers. What do you think should be the last number here? If we have 5,560 minus 5, this number should be 5,555. Another example will be 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, and 15. These are all doing backward by 5s or minus 5. The next number pattern is decreasing by 25. So it's the same as saying counting backward by 25s. So from 65,800, we did minus 25 to get these numbers. What do you think should be the next two numbers? If we have 65,725, minus 25 will be 65,700. And the last number, minus 25 again, will be 65,675. Now another example will be 175, 150, 125, 175, and 50. Now if you do understand those two number patterns, try to answer this drill. For number 1, the numbers should be decreasing by 5s. And for number 2, try to think of the answer for numbers decreasing by 25s. Again, remember that it also means counting backward or using minus to get the answer. Try to think of your answers. And if you are finished, we can now see if you got them right. So for number 1, numbers decreasing by 5s. The first number is missing. So it means the first number should be bigger than 7,890. This number is 7,895. Minus 5 gives you this number. Now let's decrease this number by 5. And the answer is 7,885. Next one is 7,880. Decreased by 5 again will be 7,875. Decreasing this by 5 gives us 7,870. Minus 5 is now 7,865. And the last number should be 7,860. Now for numbers decreasing by 25s, let's see the correct answers. So if the first number is given, you have 7,950. Minus 25 will be 7,925. Decreased by 25s now becomes 7,900. Decreased by 25s again is 7,875. Minus 25 will be 7,850. Minus 25 again is 7,825. If you decrease this by 25s, you will get 7,800. And the last number is 7,775. Now, did you get all the answers right? I really hope so. Let's see the next part of our lesson. So this time, for the last part of our lesson, we have the number sequence or the number pattern decreasing by 50. This is the same as saying counting backward by 50s. So for our example, starting from 70,100, we get 70,050 for minus 50, and then minus 50 again will give us 70,000. So from the number 70,000, minus 50 will now be 69,950. Decrease it by 50 gives us 69,900. And the last number should be 69,850. Again, some examples for counting backward by 50s. We have 350, 300, 250, 200, 150, and the last number is now 100. So for the last part of our lesson, try to answer this drill. You have to find the answer for numbers decreasing by 50s. Again, remember this is the same as saying counting backward or using minus to complete the number pattern. Try to think of your answers. And when you are finished, you can now see if your answers are right. Again, we are doing numbers decreasing by 50s. So you simply have to do counting backward or use minus. For our example, the first number is missing, and this number should be bigger than 14,700. The missing number is 14,750. Decreased by 50 will give us 14,700. Minus 50 from this number is now 14,650. Decreased by 50s again gives us 14,600. Again, this number decreased by 50s will be 14,550. Minus 50 will be 14,500. The next number is now 14,450. And the last number for numbers decreasing by 50s is 14,400. So we end the lesson here, and you can continue watching the next video to help you in answering your workbook.